Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasil District Vivek Sim ula pentep bagi pulit kin beteng ban pet ngor bat shimkam persha ikinu kinu ki jingne ki bapen wet pat ba ak than kendailan. OSP lo ong bagi jingyo jingyas saki pat ba ki brang shen ki lapen I bedon ki bale solizai ting hasurok per pat ba ka bapen wet yak imlang salang. Ula batai bagi pulit kala shimkam da ka bapen dam compound but dan kunai ki badon kti balada kidang beteng bene biang ya keju kakam ken sasyara shing bishar syakun shushu la yuthu bagi pulit kala kurup ru iki kali ki badon bentah kum kini ki kam kum shi bentah ban pen slambat pen shitom ya ki badon kti ngilashim kilat kilenti ban pelong ya kum kini ki jingle bat ngin beteng bene kum ta ula ong habakali halor ke jing pentrai kam ki kendon ai jing ya dapat ba Vivek Im ula ong ba ki pulit ki bot runti ye ki jing batha jong ka Supreme Court of India ki bakhang ban Cambrio khlem nong rim kham tam ha kapor min min Henry ulapan pau ba ki pulit ki dangla ban shim ki la jing ya dapat ba ban penne ye ka shongsuk shongsan OSP ulama hamru ba kum ki kam ki la ban sedang na ki ken 100 Henry ken sakala long ki network he ki bala ban kta hadu ki kam khai brio trafficking ula kentu ki pat ba bakin kian kum kini ki kam bat ban long ki ba husiar Kasdang nagi kamrit Henry kalaban kelalong ke bahe kum tangi kerpat iki pat ba baginya trailang berki pulit banya daya ke imlang salang ula pendram.
See, they are for soliciting in public and also that they for causing nuisance, so they will be compounded by court. That means fine is there, and if they commit the act again, then there'll be subsequent compounding. That means paying to court, so that will hit their pockets and all that. We have seized their vehicles, so it has been made things more difficult, and we will continue to do so.
So it's this racket.
Yes, as per the Supreme Court guidelines and all that, we cannot arrest them. We cannot arrest them, especially at night. And then what about the guidelines? We cannot arrest them at night. We cannot arrest them. We have to give them bail. Yes.
So this racket, did you find any angle of trafficking? Because many girls as young as 17, 18 get into the profession.
See, it starts from things, activities like this, where it starts from activities like this, where they start in a small group. You have a pimp. Now, your market out here may be in Shillong, but if your market gets exhausted, then you will try to find markets elsewhere. So that's where the trafficking network, you have to have a network, you have to have a pimp who's actually going to arrange in those other bigger cities. And we've had those cases before. It's not we haven't not had. So it starts with small little networks like this, which grew into bigger networks. Girls from here could be lured. Once a network is formed, they will have contacts. Then girls get lured because of easy money. But they don't know once they're inside it, it's not easy to come out of it, and also they put themselves in harm's way.
Laju yo ani ko case ka ba ki khana kim tre be ki la shusha ban bod ban join ban penyesuai lagi betul jam.
Pi dan kata ka case ba ang ba penbor hi bikin kwa ban lej hi Henry naki circumstances baki ya kendo ni kijing bikin do kimban se pada kaban ka jingduk kimban se pada ki habiat hal tuganti te kimdan ru kata kala nanti ban na kimdan hi te kibre ban wan harap ya kia da ki poi ha tu ka pot kan te ngidi pan sko tho ba Henry kidan ki lat kinti kidan ki kilanti ki ban I come ban I jump ban I skill ni ki bakram kin like things new that has to be impressed upon them.
Thank you so